Hello guys! So this month of June, meron po tayong Rainy June sharing. Syempre naman. So win a grocery voucher worth 500 pesos plus cash prize. Abangan natin yan. So ito po ang magiging mechanics. Make a short clip video on how you do your laundry washing and keeping. Minimum of 2 minutes hanggang 3 minutes of maximum video. Siyempre, tag-ulan na ngayon, kailangan natin at hirap na hirap tayo magpatuyo. So, ito yung number 2 mechanics. Make a voice recording while making the video clips. It should be about how you overcome your problems in life or positive thoughts. Number 3 is send it to Momshie Kath FB page and have it qualified for entry. Ganun lang po kasimple. Magpasa lamang kayo ng entry, sumunod lamang sa mechanics, and submission of entry is from June 5 to June 20. Ito naman ang criteria for winning. Audience reaction, creativity, and inspirational video, and Momshie Kath choice. So, join na!